Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my page. Now, let's analyze the Nasdaq for today's price action. As you can see on the daily time frame, we notice that price has been disrespecting bullish fair value gaps and respecting bearish fair value gaps. This gives us incentive to believe that price might be going bearish today. Going down into the 4-hour time frame, we notice that there's a 4-hour bearish fair value gap and nice external liquidity at the previous day low. Going into the 1-hour time frame, we notice that there is also a 1-hour fair value gap. Although this one has been disrespected, we are not saying that price is going to be bullish, right? This order block has to be disrespected in order for us to look for bullish momentum. We also notice that the 50% has been filled by this scan box right here. We notice that from this leg to this leg, the 50% has been filled, giving us more reason to look for shorts. Going into the 15-minute time frame, we notice that there is some low resistance liquidity at the London highs and the Asia highs. This gives us the indication that price might continue higher just to take out this liquidity and then start dumping. So basically, what am I looking for? I'm looking for price to take all of these liquidities, these low resistance liquidities and session highs, and the internal liquidities, which are the 4-hour fair value gaps and the 1-hour fair value gaps. After that, I'm going to be looking for some a nice entry to the downside, targeting whatever low resistance liquidity we would have or internal liquidity we would have. Okay, so I can't believe I missed this, but I just noticed that on the 1-hour time frame we are in a bearish fair value gap and price just rejected it with a big wick, right? So we this could be the sponsor, right? The reason for our bearish momentum targeting a nice 1:3. I think this is a 1:3 kind of trade. One more time. On the daily time frame, we are in a sell model, disrespecting bullish fair value gaps, respecting bearish fair value gaps. On the 4-hour time frame, we are disrespecting bullish fair value gaps and only just about to respect this bearish fair value gap, but we are still in a sell model. 1-hour time frame, we are currently in a 1-hour bearish fair value gap with a nice wick to the downside, respecting it, but we still don't know what could happen. But we are looking for bearish setups. On a 15-minute time frame, we notice that there are some low resistance liquidities and there's a 4-hour fair value gap, 1-hour fair value gap. These are our internal liquidities that we would like to take out before continuing in our bearish model. Going lower, we notice that there's a data high. Today was CPI. We notice that there's a data high alongside a London high. What are we looking for? All in all, we are looking for price to run these liquidity, to sweep these liquidity pools. After sweeping the liquidity pools, look for a nice entry to the downside, something like this. This is a two-dimensional drawing of what we will be looking for today. Thank you.